You can feel the intensity of this one. Total playoff atmosphere. We're underway. And there's the save. Back at the point, they set it up. And the puck leaves the zone. Here's a short pass to Svechnikov. The Hurricanes carried along the wall. Through the middle of the ice, they enter the attacking zone. Oh, what a stop! The Hurricanes scoop it up along the boards. Inside the offensive end, now down the left. Snaps it onto the net. Close save. Kemper's going to opt for the whistle and give everybody a chance to breathe.
Sometimes you get running around as the shift gets long. This helps.
Lots of time left in this period. The game is still scoreless. Carolina's got it, and they're on the attack. Oh, I thought he was going to be beaten, and he somehow got a piece of that. Moves it quickly over to Ovechkin. Takes a shot. Turned aside with the glove. Anderson's going to cover up the puck here for a whistle.
He makes a safe play and kills the play before any other damage can be done.
Ovechkin's teammates love setting him up for a one-time blast. His 1T zone ability really makes him an offensive threat.
Kuznetsov's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Nice pass. He grabs the puck here at the point. And there it is, stopped by Anderson.
I think through traffic like that, you're just hoping the thing hits you.
The Capitals will go to work here in the offensive zone. Lets it fly. Scooped into the trap. By Anderson. Locks them up on the draw as they take possession. The Hurricanes are in transition. Here's a shot. Oh, and an even bigger save on the slapper. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. We've still got zeros on the board. Kuznetsov's won a big draw on their own end. Nice feed. And he takes the dish. The Capitals play it along the wing. Pass back to the point. Denies him. Quick feed to Ovechkin. And another save. A short in here. Just wide.
Tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
The Capitals take it along the wall. Shot! Can't get it to go. Carolina's got the puck along the wall. Here's a shot! Denied by Kemper. He'll keep it alive and moves it ahead. The Capitals move it ahead. Good stop by Anderson. Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. We're still scoreless. The Capitals take possession off the faceoff. And that's blocked in traffic. Oh, we'll get some tired defenders as icing is the call. Centers get set as they're ready to drop the puck again. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone.
A one face-off allows a clean breakout out of your zone.
The Hurricanes looking against the half wall. Hammers one. Up to the challenge as he gets his pad on it. The Capitals take it along the wing. Takes the feed at the point. Wide of the net.
You kick yourself in the tail after you miss a chance like this. Has to be on the net.
Takes a shot. And that caroms off a body in the lane. Moves it to Backstrom. Moves the puck. Quick pass to Wilson. Fires it into the offensive zone. The Hurricanes gain possession along the wall. Gaining momentum along the wing. To the front. And that goes out of a stick somewhere in traffic. Washington's got a hold of it against the wall. Through the open ice, they're picking up steam. Here he is in close. And he blocks the shot. Great defensive play. Centering feed. And he denies that great opportunity there. All sorts of pressure here in the offensive end. They are really applying the squeeze. And they skate it out of the danger zone. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves into the slot. Scores! And the Bucks and Jets are limited time. Carolina's hustle the difference here as they take a 1-0 lead.
Been so hard to get any open space on the ice. You work. There's nothing there. Finally, they score, and now you can open the game up a bit.
Grabs the puck at center. Up along the wing. Back to the point it goes. And he makes the save. Anderson's going to smother it to get a whistle.
Can get dangerous if nobody's in control of the puck.
More than half the period has expired. Carolina's ahead 1-0. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Carolina's got it against the boards. Takes it into the slot. Stick save and a beaut by Kemper.
The shooter's right in the guts of the ice, but the goalie squares up, spreads out, and makes the save.
Both teams are set. They're ready to drop the puck. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Chance right in front. And that's blocked from someone in front. The transition game now into full effect as they move across the blue line. Oh, what a save in front. Anderson's going to bounce on it, and he'll take the whistle.
He's usually a pretty conservative goaltender anyway, and so the opportunity to kill the play, he's going to take it.
Here in the later stages of this period, the Hurricanes have taken a 1-0 lead. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. The Hurricanes get a hold of the puck along the boards. Here's a short pass to Aho. Fires it on net. Just wide of the net.
Not really close with that. He got lots on it, but nowhere near the net.
Here they come on the attack down the right side. Shot, and he comes up with it. Moves it quickly over to Aho. Gains the zone. Here's a shot. He scores! That's how you do it. Leadership to a team. The captain capitalizes. Backstrom's won the draw. Slides the puck over. The Hurricanes have it against the wall. And now he moves it to Teravainen. Puts it on net, and a save. And now it's over to Jokinen. Big stop by the keeper.
That shot's turned aside, but James, he really is known for getting that puck onto the net with a lot of velocity. Man, when he's at the point, it's still a scoring chance.
And he regains control of the puck. He scores! His first career playoff goal!
He was saying to a couple guys this morning he thought he was going to be able to score soon. Looks like he's right.
Moments away from the face-off. Let's get back to the action. Carolina's won the draw. Here's a chance. Stopped by the goaltender, getting a piece of that one. Picking up steam in the offensive zone. Oh, he got thunderstruck on that hit. There you go. Period number 1 is done. We're going to come back in just a quick moment with period number 2. Stay with us.
Bring tonight's ticket to any local Bob's Sporting Goods for a coupon that's good for $10 off your next purchase.
A chance for both teams to refuel. They are back on the ice, and period number 2 is about set to go. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Svechnikov. Fires it. Oh, and comes up with nothing on the play. Oh, he got puddled by Kipper. Feeds the puck across to Kuznetsov. The Capitals take it across the blue line. Shot! Oh, great glove save by Anderson.
Goalies love making the glove save. Whether it's a great save or a rather run-of-the-mill one, they love to show you that they've caught it after they've put it away.
Lots of time left in this period. Washington still down a goal here, but they have really picked up the tempo these last few minutes. Taken by Sandin. And makes the save. Moves with the puck at the corner. Takes the shot. That was amazing. What a save by Anderson. Great heads-up play by the defender. Washington's gained possession along the boards. Comes up with a stop. They are really dialed in here tonight. Carries it into the offensive end up the middle. And he gets just enough of it to keep it out for the back of the net. Backstrom's going to play it against the half wall. Here he is, shot way in front. Anderson's on top of that one for a whistle.
A little bit of traffic starting to form around the net.
And the centers glide towards the dot here as we got a face-off set to go. Backstrom's won the draw. Here's an opportunity. Oh, and he just puts it wide of the net. And it's a quick pass to Sandin. The Capitals played along the boards. Slides the puck down low. And now he moves it quickly to Carlson. Fires one. And that one's turned away. Tremendous intensity here in the offensive zone. Biden's crossed the line and gained the zone. Cuts to the front. And saved by Kemper. Puck is frozen and we'll get a face-off. Still lots of time left in the period. The Hurricanes lead it 2-1 in what has been an entertaining game thus far. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Oh, blocked down by Kemper. Carlson's got it along the boards. Handles the puck at the point. And puts it anywhere but the way he wanted it to go.
Not going to get many better chances from that. Dead center, right in the slot.
Takes it to the front. Oh, just got a piece of it with the skate. Kemper's going to slow things down and up for the whistle.
Oh, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized.
The Capitals win it in the defensive zone. Through center along the wing. Sends it into the offensive zone. Carolina's got the puck. Goes right to the crease. The Hurricanes have a hold of it in the defensive zone. Nietzsche takes it into the offensive end. Takes it and looks ahead. Washington's got the puck in the corner. And he slides it quickly to Carlson. Sends the pass over. The Capitals take it along the wall. And he takes a shot. Oh, he didn't get all of it, but just enough to keep it out of the net. Face-off looming as both centers get into position. Carolina's got a hold of the puck. The Hurricanes will play it in their own end. with possession along the wall. Here he is in front. Stopped by the goaltender. He got a little piece of that one. Maintains possession. Unloads from the blue line. And that goes off, pours off a body. Nice feed at center, moves up ahead now. Washington's got a hold of the puck now. Here they come. Pacioretty's moving the puck through his own zone. The Hurricanes play it along the boards. Shot! Oh, solid save by Kemper. Tries to the crease. Kemper's got the puck and he's going to hang on. More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. The Hurricanes are clinging to a 2-1 lead. Carolina's got it in the offensive zone. Takes the feed at the back end. Denied by the defender. Moves the puck along the half wall. The Hurricanes gain possession in their own end. And now it's to Svechnikov. Looking for space inside the D zone. Here they come up along the wing. Quick feed to Svechnikov. And that's deflected off someone in front. The Hurricanes gain control of the puck. From the slot, wrist shot, and the goaltender comes up with a piece of it to keep it out of the net.
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance.
The Hurricanes have it from their own end. They gain the zone from the left side. Shot! Big time stop.
Kemper's not had many moments to breathe tonight. He's faced a heck of a lot of dangerous chances. Been busy from almost the opening drop of the puck, and he's given his team a chance to win.
Getting into the later stages of this period, it's a 2-1 hockey game. Backstrom's won the draw inside his own end. Carlson's got it in the defensive end. Handles a sweet feed. And that doesn't reach the net. Moves it to Carlson. Unloads a shot. Answered the call there. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Quick shot. Great stop by Kemper. The Capitals have it now. Flick feed. Handles it along the blue line. Oh, there's one more. Scooped up along the wall by Backstrom. Hard blast. What a save. He'll probably feel that one tomorrow. Carolina's got the puck along the wall. Takes a shot. Oh, big collision there.
James, he had the homing device on there. He saw the chance and lowered the boom.
Carolina's got the puck in their own end. Nearing the 40-minute mark of the game.
In the second period.
Knocked away. Denies him in close.
Oh, he reads the play really well to get out and aggressive to make that save.
Kemper's going to hang on to that one for a whistle.
Quickly on top of that, James, he needed to come.
Play set to resume with the face-off ready to go. And they're going to go after that. Down he goes, fairly one-sided, would you say?
Yeah, I've been on the other side of that one side, and you're happy when it goes down to the ice because you know help is on the way.
Story of my life in elementary school, Ray.
They were looking for a spark in this building, and this might provide it. They are pumped in here.
Yeah, this crowd on fire now here in the arena. Well, cooler heads finally prevailing here as both teams step inside the... face-off circle. Washington's won the face-off deep in their own end. Takes a shot. Denied by Anderson. There's the horn. 2 periods down. A third period to go. Stick around and join us for the drama next. Welcome back to EA Sports. The final frame looms here as the officials set to drop the puck on period number 3. Final frame is underway here. Ray Ferraro is at ice level and gives us his analysis of the first 2 periods of play.
Washington's going to have to work not to get frustrated here. They've had by far the best chances. The other goaltender, though... been brilliant tonight.
Aho's hockey IQ is among the league's best, guys. We know that. And he uses his deceptive and difficult passes to set up his teammates for the most success. Third-eye zone ability, and that's how he contributes to this club.
And he takes the feed. Moves around along the half wall. Here's a shot, and that goes off a body. Carolina's got the puck along the boards. Along the side, here they come through the neutral zone. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. And that caroms off a body in traffic. Passes ahead from the right side. Back to the blue line. Glove save made by Anderson. We're still in the early stages of this period. We've got a 2-1 game. Carolina's got it in the defensive zone. And now he tries to get it across to Svechnikov. Teravainen's got the puck. Shot! And he had the answer on that one. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Carlson's taking it from his own end. Steps across the line and on the attack down the right side. Lets it go. Oh, he just got enough of that to keep it out.
Good save. Positional save through traffic.
Centers are set. Face-off ready to resume play. Kuznetsov's got it, and they'll go on the attack here in the offensive zone. Quick pass to Sandin. Takes that pass back at the point. Oh, it makes the save, just not enough to keep it out. And he takes the pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Score! And it gets right back to him, and he puts it home. More than half the period left of break now, leading by 2. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Washington's looking to break out of their own end. And now they look to make something happen from the neutral zone. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Strome. Gaining momentum in the offensive end. Here's a shot. And just got a piece of it to keep it out. Necas has won the draw. They'll go to work offensively. Makes it look easy with the stop. Picking up momentum across the zone here on the right side. The Hurricanes gain control of the puck against the wall. Headman pass. Necas plays the puck. Here he is from the slot. And that goes off course wide.
You can go games without a chance from here.
Carlson stick handling in his own zone. Wilson's picking up steam. Fires it into the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Necas. Carolina's through center and now in the offensive end. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Sandin's got the puck in his own zone. Takes the feed. Moves it quickly over to score. There he is, T.J. Oshie. Not Sochi anymore. He just continues to score. The Capitals are back at center ice, probably breathing a little easier now, Ray.
They needed to get one, James. If you trail by 2 for too long, the clock just runs out on you. You run out of time.
The Hurricane. It's go time. Well, I guess that's that.
That's that, and it's pretty clear, James, who had the upper hand. They slowly make their way to the penalty box. Somebody else will have to clean up that yard sale all over the ice. They've got gear everywhere.
Action set to resume here after what was a wild couple of minutes on the ice there. Carolina's won it. Pesci's moving it ahead. Takes the shot. Denies him on the play. Oh, spectacular save on the play.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. 3-2 is where we sit in what has been a tightly contested affair. Stones him in front.
He's going to feel he missed one there. You don't get many chances that clean. The goalie turns it aside.
Fires it on net. Oh, a clutch save. Anderson's on top of that for the whistle.
Pretty quickly on top of it to kill the play.
The setters will glide into the dot. Carolina's got possession here in their own end. The Hurricanes move the puck in the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. Sends a pass over. Fantastic save! Washington's got it in their own zone. And now he angles it across to Backstrom. Shot! That's gloved by Anderson. Washington's won the draw, and they'll go to work. Takes a wrist shot. Oh, what a stop as he uses his paddle to swat it away.
That's a really good save. I think the goalie's probably surprised he was dead center and open to shoot that puck.
The Hurricanes have it behind the net. Oh, what a stop by Kemper.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Oh, scores!
Really good effort here to continue to push along, try and find a way to crack the defense. They've done it, and this game is tied.
Absolutely clutch! Puck is dropped and play resumes. Slides it on over to Aho. Puts it on net. Makes the save. Kemper's going to hang on for a whistle here in the third.
Well, there's not much time left here as you get into the final 20 minutes. The game's close. A mistake now would be critical.
Past the halfway mark of this period, the next goal could be a big one as we are tied. The Capitals get a hold of the puck in their own end. Washington's looking to break out. A little burst of speed now as the puck's moved inside the offensive zone. Just gets enough to keep it out.
Well, nobody's going to run away and hide now, James. I mean, it's been a terrific night of hockey, and it's good.
Scores! Big time goal puts him in front.
When a player gets the puck on their stick, you can tell in a big moment who's confident. It ends up in the net more often than not.
Here in the late going of the frame, Carolina's been the better-looking team over the last few minutes. They'd love to build on this one-goal lead. The Capitals win it. Puck grab by Carlson. Couldn't make the connection on the play. Quick feed to Jokinen. The Hurricanes will play from the defensive zone. Goes to the sweet spot. Blocked in traffic. And he takes the feed. Takes the feed. Nothing.
When the game is close, everybody's thinking they can make a difference. There was a chance to do it late in the third.
Doesn't get much better than that one. Fires it. Oh, and he just got enough of that one to keep it out. Moves the puck to the attacking area. Oh, just a great heads-up play by Teravainen. Svechnikov's got the puck along the wing. Here's a chance. Oh, stopped with the pad by Kemper. Under a minute to go here in regulation time. Cutting to the slot. Makes the pad save, although he might have got a piece of it with his foot. Goalie on the bench, and the extra tacker's out for a much-needed goal.
You practice this, you're ready for it, and it starts with the face-off.
Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. And now he moves it to Pacioretty. Carolina's got a hold of the puck. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Fires into the empty net. Washington's gained possession. From along the walls, they're gaining momentum. Now a quick pass to Kuznetsov. Oh, he got a piece of it to keep it out.
And he came out and challenged him. Good save.
Inside the offensive defensive end. The net is empty. They've got the extra attacker out. Oh, look at this. 3 o'clock in the parking lot.
Is it 3 o'clock already? Down they go.
And down it goes, pretty much bringing an end to this one.
Yeah, he was in control of this fight the entire way. Not much doubt who the winner is of this fight. Watch it, and now listen.
And the crowd back alive here inside the stadium. Well, both teams seem to be a little calmer now after a pretty chaotic stretch just a few moments ago. Offense his own face-off, and he wins the draw. Grabbed along the boards by Mantha. Nice save off the tender's pad. Carolina's got the puck in the defensive end. Conference chance, but they're looking. And he scores the shed.
That should wrap it up. Pretty comfortable now with that empty net.
The Hurricanes add the insurance marker, which pretty much seals the deal on this one tonight, Ray.
Other opponents pull the goalie. They're trying to pressure to get the tying goal, but it backfires. And the empty netter puts it away.
Leachus wins the draw. Moves it to Pacioretty. Textbook stop by Kemper. There's the horn, and this brings this one to an end. They're going on. They're conference champions, but really more importantly, they're going to the Stanley Cup.
Well, nobody dreams of being the conference champion. You dream of being a Stanley Cup champion, but you can't be that until you get past this step. Tremendous achievement for them.
Mission accomplished at one end of the ice, and a long offseason looming for the other.
Off-season starts now. You go through this handshake line, it is all over. You try so hard, and you come up empty.
And that'll do it from Ring